If you have a house in Ottawa Hills, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, myself and my team has been buying houses in and around Ottawa Hills, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to treat you fair, but we're also going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And that's really important. What that means is you don't need to fix anything for us to buy the house. You don't need to offer us any credits or fix-up credits. You don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Ottawa Hills house in its as-is condition. And like I said, we pay cash, so we're not relying on a lender or a mortgage company or some type of bank to approve this transaction. We're able to make our own decisions. When you're working with a traditional buyer, these are the types of buyers that are driving around with a real estate agent and, they're going to nitpick your house. Then if the bank approves this house and approves the situation, they'll close. But before the bank could even make a decision, they need to send through a formal inspection, formal appraisal. This is a nightmare. Sometimes they need to send these appraisers out multiple times. You're so much better off. Most people way prefer to just work with an as-is cash buyer like us here, and that's exactly what we do. We've been buying houses in and around Ottawa Hills for a long time, and I know we can most likely work with you as well. So our phone number here is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. Now I know you're thinking, oh, it says Columbus in the website. We're all over Ottawa Hills. We're all over Toledo. We're all over the great state of Ohio. We were just founded in Columbus, but we love Toledo, and we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people. We have tons of testimonials and reviews and great references for you. We're an as-is cash buyer. We're going to close for cash on the date of your choice. So if you need to move quickly when you're selling your Ottawa Hills house, perfect, we can close quickly. If you need flexibility, like maybe you need to move or something needs to happen in your life before you can close, no problem at all. If you want to set a future date, we've even worked with some people who need to stay back after they close on the house and actually collected money and stuff. They can actually stay in the house for a week or so. We'll work it all out with you. There's nothing off the table. We're very easy to work with. We're local. This isn't some call center located in a distant land. We're here local. And our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. And our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, very easy. We just need to know more about the property and know more about your timeline. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Ottawa Hills house. If our offer works for you, perfect. We'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure. We're going to treat you fair. So our number, once again, 614-300-5151. And our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.